Hey, what's going on with this guy?
I don't know. He came in here.
Hey, can you hold this door open?
Yes,
More police are coming.
1393.
Oh, hi.
There's no answer at the call of business.
Hold that door open. Hold that door open. Time for it.
He went that way.
Unit 7 coming. Can you step it up?
Hey! Hey!
Inconvenience.
Hey, hey, hey! Hey, drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it. Drop it. Drop it. On the ground. On the ground. Get back! Hey, drop. Hey. Hey. Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. Want a taser point?
Oh my God.
Hey, drop it! I got one taser point. Step it up. We'll be in the front lobby. Drop it!
Subject in the front lobby.
Yes.
Step it up.
I'm leaving here without my lady. Where is she?
Step it up!
Where's my...
Drop it!
I just want my wife, man. I just want
Listen, man.
I don't want
Taser forward! Taser. Hey! Hey, right here! He's right here!
Come on. Get him out. Come here. He's trying to get the shot.
Oh, shit!
Shots fired! Drop it! Get him over.
Get him over. Shots fired at 975 Northwest Avalon, or within the St.